There's a lizard. He's in the shade, watch. Okay. He's got other shade trees, but he's got a lizard in his beak. Crap. There he goes. He's got his lizard. Go! The bucket, bobcat bucket. He's gonna go under the rig where the shade is. I'm feeding deer. Oh, I just heard a frog. Let's see. Well, that was cool. There they go. I'm loving this. It's filling. There they go. Where's Bud? Bud is big. Where's the rest of them? I don't see any fishies yet. I scared them all. And we play with golf balls. That's what that is. I'll get that log out. It's going to be waterlogged, heavy. But isn't that pretty? Yeah, we've been in it. Alright, I gotta go feed the deer. Everybody's got fresh water.